How to make highlights on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create Instagram story highlights. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the profile section. And now here, right under your bio, you can see the option labeled as new. So just tap on it, and after that, Instagram will show you the past stories from your archive. So simply select the one that you want to include to your highlights, and once you have done that, simply tap on next, which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And here on the next page, you can give your highlight a name. You can try something catchy like travel, or food, or something that you like. And here, once you're done with that, you can simply tap on done button, which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And here, once you have done that, your highlight will now show up on your profile. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.